Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In JavaScript, there is no built-in function like Python's interact for pausing computation and interacting with local variables. However, you can achieve a similar result using various techniques, such as console.log, browser developer tools, and custom functions. In this tutorial, we'll explore some methods to pause and interact with local variables in JavaScript. Method 1, using console.log. The simplest way to inspect and interact with local variables in JavaScript is by using the console.log function. You can insert console.log statements in your code to print the values of variables to the browser console. By executing this code in your browser and opening the developer console, usually with F12 or right-clicking and selecting Inspect, you can inspect the values of variable 1, variable 2, and result at different points in your code's execution. Method 2, using breakpoints in browser developer tools. Most modern web browsers come with developer tools that allow you to set breakpoints in your code. This is a more interactive way to pause your code and inspect local variables. When your code reaches the breakpoint, it will pause, and you can inspect the values of local variables in the Scope or Locals panel of your developer tools. Method 3, create custom functions for interaction. If you want a more interactive way to pause and interact with your local variables, you can create custom functions that allow you to control when to pause and what to display. Here's an example. In this example, the interact with variables function logs the variables, and it returns a function that you can call to pause and display the variables at a specific point in your code. Keep in mind that these methods aren't as streamlined as Python's interact, but they provide you with the tools needed to inspect and interact with local variables in JavaScript. The choice of method depends on your specific use case and debugging requirements. ChatGPT.